Hey there, welcome back to our series of contact center reporting. If you're still spending hours pulling reports manually, it's time to rethink your approach. Manual reporting slows you down, risks errors, and keeps you stuck looking at yesterday's data. The future is autonomous reporting, powered by AI that builds, updates, and distributes reports automatically. Gone are the days of static PDFs and one-size-fits-all spreadsheets. Today's AI-driven systems integrate seamlessly with tools like Power BI, Tableau, and Looker to create living dashboards that evolve with your data. These platforms offer dynamic views based on real-time activity, trends, and priorities, tailored for every role in your contact center. Today we have various other speech analytics tools that provide inbuilt reports using advanced technology. Whether you're an agent needing personalized scorecards, or a manager tracking team productivity, or a CXO focused on compliance risks and business forecasting, autonomous reporting delivers insights exactly when and where you need them. No more waiting for reports to land in your inbox. Just instant, actionable intelligence that lets you move fast and stay ahead. This shift to autonomous reporting is a game changer. It frees your team to focus on coaching, decision-making, and improving CX. In our final episode, we'll explore how predictive and prescriptive reporting will shape the future.